Disclaimer: this content is for educational awareness only, not a promotion.
Hey everyone, welcome back to D Reviews, where we separate what's real from what's ridiculously fake. So today's viral madness comes from TikTok user Sohail Quadri, who posted a clip titled Big Loss. And oh boy, it shows a bull attacking a Lamborghini like it just found out the car was made of red flags. The video shows the bull smashing into the Lamborghini, supposedly damaging it badly. But wait, keep watching. Because suddenly, abracadabra, the Lamborghini looks completely fine again. Not a single scratch. Did the car suddenly unlock self-healing powers? Or did Lamborghini secretly invent instant repair mode? Nope, it's just our good old friend, CGI and AI tools at work. If you watch closely, you'll notice a few giveaways. The bull's movements look weirdly robotics. The lighting and shadows don't quite match. And the car's reflection, well, it doesn't even react to the supposed impact. Basically, this is less real accident and more Hollywood meets TikTok AI lab. Imagine if cars really did fix themselves like that. Half the mechanics would be out of business, and your insurance company would finally stop ghosting your calls. But jokes aside, this clip was never reported by any credible news sources, no eyewitnesses, no official footage, meaning it's completely fabricated using CGI or AI video tools. So if you came across this video and thought, wow, that bull just totaled a Lamborghini? Nope. Don't worry, no bulls and definitely no Lamborghinis were harmed in the making of this viral fake. So next time you see a dramatic clip online, whether it's an animal going berserk or cars magically healing themselves, take a second look, because sometimes the only thing real is how fake it is. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to D Reviews for more truth bombs about viral internet fakes. See you in the next one.